Well, hello there. Welcome back to Sea Monkey Broadcasting News on episode 5. You may have noticed a change in our background. Well, you are right. We are no longer on the boat. This is just temporary.
We are now in Australia while Sea Monkey gets work done.
This episode is about my awesome boat trip. South Passage, the 100-foot 2-mast gaff rig schooner built by my granddad and my dad in the 1990s. And maybe with the help of other people as well.
Why did you leave me?
I had to fulfill my destiny.
Where did I get their curly hair from? Mom, and me too, actually.
Welcome aboard. The voyage was 7 days from Gladstone to Brisbane.
It was the hardest 7 days of my life.
Indeed, you weren't even on the boat.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Now let's begin the tour. We begin with my lovely watch leader, Louise.
Oh, Louise, how you doing?
And down here is Skipper Damon Frost.
Skipper.
And then down the companionway here, we have, wait for it, the galley.
Did you have good food there, Sid?
It was great. And here's the guy who cooked it, Hugh. The
Hey,
lovely
Hugh.
Hugh.
Hello, Hugh.
Oh my goodness me, God.
And here's Phil, the sailing master. I always seem to catch him when he's eating.
Ahoy, sailing master.
And that is the ropes, what South Passage works by.
Ropes. Oh,
Here's the heads and the shower.
heads. What else?
And here is the bunks where all us passengers slept.
It looks like a bomb gone off in there. What happened? It's
I
scary.
honestly don't know. And
It's
here's where all the
scary.
watch leaders and assistant watch leaders sleep. And this is where I slept.
Say hi.
And there's
It looks
Casey.
cozy.
It was really cool how we got to sit on the bowsprit.
Were you wearing a harness?
Of course I was.
Good.
This is the mermaid my great-granddad carved out of solid 100-year-old oak wood. Actually, I'm just guessing. The first place we stopped at was Pancake Creek at Busted Head.
You just said the naughty word.
No, it's Bustard.
Oh,
Look at this amazing view. Indy, come look at the view.
Cool. That's so cool.
And there's my friend.
Oh, you made a friend?
Yeah. Look how inviting the water looked when we tried to leave Pancake Creek.
It doesn't look that inviting, Sid. In fact, I would have probably pee myself if I was there.
Yeah, probably. But it turned out all this weather was due to Cyclone Iris.
Cool. Nice name.
There was a lot of puke flying around that day. This is
Were any
Blake.
of them
He was
dressed
in
in
our watch.
Superman?
What? I nailed that!
Flying. They were flying.
No, Indy. No one's puke was dressed up in Superman costumes.
Did you pee though?
Only once, but that was only because I was downstairs and it's stuffy.
It looks very cold. Were you cold?
Cold? Was I cold? You don't know the definition of cold until you ask me how cold I was.
What is going on here?
This is the dance we had to do to earn us more points. It's supposed to be about the Marine Life Memorial Day, but it just looked really weird. This was the ship concert. Everyone sang, well not everyone, but most people sang and played ukulele. It was really fun. Who put this background music in? It's so cheesy!
Oh, my ears are falling off!
Look, Indy, I literally cannot.
Wow.
Look at my magnificent creation!
Woo!
This was my breakfast most of the time.
It looks like someone's eye being smashed.
This was at Kingfisher Bay. It's so lovely. We had a great day
Beautiful.
of swimming and walking along a boardwalk.
Good.
Hello.
Hi,
And this was at the sandhills on Morton Island. Ooh. Ah.
Oh wait, it's flashing red!
It's a beautiful Australian day on Morton Island.
Yeah, might.
Throw a prawn on the barbie.
Well, Sid, you're looking fresh today.
This was at the top of the sandhills on Morton Island. Yeah, I climbed up those suckers.
Did you roll down those suckers?
Yes, I did, almost. This was at South Stradbroke Island.
Everyone's
Near
kicking.
Southport.
Everyone's kicking water at each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God! So funny.
Look how pretty the water was.
Dolphins! 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 Dolphins!
These are common dolphins. They're very common dolphins. I guess that's where they get their name from. Look at the dolphins. They're so pretty.
Yes.
Look at them swim.
Oh
So
yes.
graceful.
Their fins stick out of the water, scaring people because they're sharks.
Over here we have Tangalooma with the shipwrecks that we snorkeled at.
That is awesome. Did you find any buried treasure, matey?
I wish. I actually said I was the mermaid that would have lived in them. One of those fish bit my finger. I still have the scar from them. This was the shipwreck. And here was the lovely sunset that we ate our dinner under. Over there is Jack and Holly, probably my best friends on the boat. And here we arrive, back safely in Manly Harbour.
It's so sad. Wait, no.
Indy was so happy.
Sydney!
And thank you for watching Sea Monkey Broadcasting News. Thank you and enjoy the view.